Hey, yes, today I'm going to show you some trends in Blender. So today it's Sunday, I believe it's 26th of June, that's right. Let's scroll a tiny bit up here. What we see on, well, this is new. Is that in Blender? That is in Blender. Let me check that out. That is nice. It looks cool. I see a lot of new things. I didn't check out this promotion. Oh, and a pixel train. Let me follow that guy. So he has some actually with training. Training, yeah, always interesting. I want to scroll down because then I know what I'm talking about, but it's a long time ago. Here we are. So I see Celestial Maze. What he's doing, I believe, is called Signed Distance Field, SDF. And that happens in the material editor or the shader editor. And basically it works on mapping vectors, and you can make all kinds of shapes. There is a commercial add-on which has also this functionality, and on top of that it has a puddle shader and a few shaders more. You check that out if that's interesting. That is the FX Notes by CG on Fire. Then, here a guy, he made eyes in Blender, printed it out, and did this, and used that in real Puppet, like that. And that's nice, this promotion. And how to make knurling in Blender, yeah, I know that one. So then you're going to divide a mesh like that, and then you're going to decimate it, I think. Decimate. Let me check it out here. So, all right, yeah, unsimplify it, and then you get that pattern, and then you do poke faces. Oh, he's going to delete those ones, and then he's going to poke the faces. No, all right, yeah, that's also a way to do it. But you can also poke faces. No, that's it. All right, that is then knurling. And Jan van den Hemel, that's a Dutch guy. And I'm Dutch, so I know how to pronounce his name, Jan van den Hemel. And he comes with shrink and fatten. I think we know this shrink and fatten, but well, maybe you're like me and we forget it sometimes. Although I use it actually. Well, for example, when I use a smooth modifier, then I lose some volume and then I crank it up with fatten. But here I see Jan van den Hemel. He is using it also with selections. I didn't think of that. Right, and then the flip flute can now merge and these colors. Yeah, different colored flutes. And you can mix the colors. So you see then green and blue becomes. Yeah, I see cyan here. B NPR. And that's promote. Wow, this is super. That looks very nice. I want to check that out because I'm interested in that. And you can find it here if you go to 80LV. 80LV articles. And all right. So what is that about? Unreal, oh, that's all about 3D content creation. I have to check that website out. I've never seen it. Well, I know it is there. Here again, another example of SDF signed distance fields, I believe. I have his addon, and I have also the FX nodes, so a lot of things we can know. And you can also animate all the shapes. Here he's not, oh yeah, he's making a flame, not really one shape. That's for maybe, oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. A nice, very nice render. Oh, and I see this a lot. So there seems to be curves and geometry nodes, and I cannot describe the effect, but you can see it. Geometry nodes again, so that's quite popular, a very nice render. Alright, so we have seen enough Twitter. Let's jump over to Blender Artists. Blender Artists, here on the top articles. You see a lot of finished projects over here. So there are a lot of people posting their finished projects and work in progress, etc. But here is also released scripts and themes. This is an add-on called Review, free add-on to automatically save viewport views that can be restored at any time. I think that is pretty handy. We can find it on GitHub and it is free. So I will check that out. So if you have other news, you can also contact me and then I will pick that up. Let's jump over to Blender today. The hot topics. Here I see a tutorial, but that is in Korean, and unfortunately I don't speak it. I think it's in Korean. I checked it out a while ago. This is pretty interesting for most of us, I think. This is about how to make realistic characters. Yeah, I couldn't figure out what this was exactly. There's a video over here. And I'm not sure what it exactly does. Alright, here is another way to use another solution for the end panels. So, you've seen my own add-on is called End Panel Manager, and a few days after that there's another add-on quite popular on Blender Market at the moment, and there is now this add-on, and it has another solution to make a bar like this. My solution is to work with workspaces and filter the add-ons in there. And this is also a way, so there are different ways to solve that problem. And there is an update of the Pathos rigging tools. I think it's a paid add-on. Let me check that. So you open the link, and this is the Pathos rigging tools, published 25 days ago, 10 sales. Has no reviews yet, but there is an update, for those who bought or are interested in the Pathos rigging tools, you can check that out. Then next one, texture and conformer road. Well, in under 4 minutes, that's pretty interesting. How to make potato chips. Yeah, good idea. Tips about rigging. That's something I need to check out because I don't know anything about rigging. Oh, barely. And Blender material. Metal texture material. Then let's check out what we have. All right, yeah, this is on right-click select. So when people have ideas for Blender development, they can post here. And I think this is a good idea. So in the outliners filter, outliner, if you have vertex groups, maybe that's interesting. Materials are filtering options. Armature inputs and geometry nodes and edge light. Yeah, we don't have edge light and curves, but his proposal is to press G key twice and then slide curve points along the path. Then I've seen something interesting. Oh yeah, slide edge of a vertex, snap them at an intersection. All right, so we had Blender artists. We went to Twitter and Blender Today and right-click select. All right, so if you have an idea or if you have news, you can contact me on Twitter, for example. So if you go to a New Media Supply, that's my handle at New Media Supply. Then I can pick it up, or you can contact me also on Discord. If you want to have a link, you click on something like this product. And if you scroll down, you see a link there to the Discord server. All right, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.